Hey everyone, so this will be an unboxing and setup of the newer-ish Samsung Tab A7. This is 32GB model here. Jump right on into it here. Put this boy off to the side. Do the less exciting stuff first here. So you have some paperwork in here. And you also have, as you can see it there, that's for the should be for the micro SD card slot. Undo that. And then we have our charger. Both are white. The entire box is quite white. Nothing else in here. And it is USB Type-C. Charger. Let's see. Do not see a wattage on there. Undo this. Nice little piece of felt or whatever. So front face camera on the side now instead of up front or top here. So then we have one camera and Samsung right there. So we have 4 speakers, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that should be good. USB Type-C again. Power button, volume rocker. Should be a mic. And on the side here is our micro SD card slot. We'll plug this in. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it, or excuse me, turn it on. The power button right there. It's at 54% battery. See how fast this turns on. And now I'm not using the, well, of course, the cable that came with it. I got, I think it's a 2-pack of these red 10-foot long USB Type-Cs off of Amazon. I think they're like they're like 15 bucks, I want to say, for a 2-pack of them. They work very, very well. Talk about pricing on here right now for Black Friday week. These are on sale. The tablet I'm talking about now, of course, on sale for only 150 bucks. So that's pretty sweet. Got mine from Best Buy. I had $55 in rewards, so I got this for 95 bucks plus taxes. So I couldn't pass it up. And then I do have a Samsung Tab S6. Do a quick side-by-side comparison real fast at the end here. At the end. So we'll come back to that. Here all nice of all those. Right now I'm gonna do my Wi-Fi and I'll be right on back. Then after doing Wi-Fi, it will check and do updates, which it did, which took maybe a minute or so. Then, well, actually I did not mean to hit that one. Once they don't copy. And so now check for your info. They're rather easy to set up, of course. I'm going to sign into Google account. Alright, then I'll ask you about Google Assistant. If you sign into your Google account there. Then back up to Google Drive. We'll do that anyway. And use location, allow scanning. Versus scan for Wi-Fi. Send usage data and diagnostics. Install and update apps. So we'll accept all those. I'm going to skip any protection. So you do face recognition using the camera, pattern, PIN, or password. I don't really usually use anything too sensitive on these tablets. So, and then too, I usually don't really bring them anywhere besides in my house. Sign into your Samsung account. I'm just going to continue with Google. Then after that, it will finish it up. Then it'll do its thing for a few seconds here. And then we should be in. So, let's just check it out real fast. And then I'll show off my Tab S6 as well in a second here. So that's updating a whole bunch of stuff, whatever. We're swiping to the side, so we have Netflix, we have Microsoft Outlook, OneDrive, and Office Suite. We have the clock, calculator, Samsung Notes, the Galaxy Store, Play Store. Of course, that is Samsung's Galaxy Store. Google, you have Google, Chrome, Gmail, Maps, YouTube, Photos, Dual, Play Movies and Music, YouTube Music, which is new to me, and Drive. I mean, for being on a device right away. You have Samsung Internet, you have their files, you have your calendar, contacts, gallery, and camera. And there's nothing going that way. And you're swiping up or down or up, will get you to all of your apps. So we have Spotify, Netflix, and I think everything else we have said. Voice recorder, Samsung Galaxy, and Samsung Flow, and Samsung Members. So it does have two different types of cameras in that one lens. Two different lenses in that one camera spot there. So that's actually cool. And then, let's see. And then hitting this button right here will do, the front-facing camera. And then, so if you swipe up from the very top, you get to more, let's call them settings. So you have your email, or I don't know why I said email, Wi-Fi, your sound, Bluetooth, auto rotate, on or off, airplane mode, power mode, blue light filter, which I use all the time on all of my devices. Not all the time, but at night, of course. Location, smart view, do not disturb button, nearby share, sync, Dolby Atmos, which I'm going to turn on, Samsung Kids, and quick share, dark mode, focus mode, and call and text on other devices. So that's all cool. Bring up my S6 here. So one thing this is missing is an S Pen. This is the S Pen for my S6, my Tab S6. There it is side by side. Yes, I'm sorry it is a bit smudgy. Let's see, we get to face the correct way here. And we'll turn off my blue light filter. So that's one interesting thing. Never mind. First one I said blue mode. It's not like that, blue light mode. And we'll turn off the brightness here. And we'll scoot over so you guys can actually see it. Alright, there we go. Both brightnesses are up. So there's not actually that much of a difference in these. Side by side. This screen, and this is 10.4 inches. This is 10.5. This bezel is a little bit bigger. More on the top and the bottom than I would say on the sides. So it seems to be about the same. The top and bottom, I can tell there's a little bit of a difference there. You can, side by side, you can definitely see that there is a little bit of a difference in screen size. But again, you're talking about 0.1 inches, so really not much. This will have your camera on the side now. This one's still up top here. I believe on the new S7s and 7 Plus, it is on the side as well. I want to say, just by my eyes comparison, the A7 is a little bit thicker. But then, well, it actually might be a little bit taller as well, actually. You know, the screen's not as big. There. And here is the back. So you have two cameras. Let's see. Whereas on this one, there's only the one. Yeah, it did give you both types of cameras. And then again, this is for the S Pen. that this does not, I guess doesn't even work with from what I've read. And then, biggest thing here is the size comparison. That's really what we're doing at this part. But they also do feel a little bit different. They both feel pretty good. Actually feel not that much different, but they do feel a little bit different. Both devices feel premium. For 150 bucks right now, I think it's normally like what, 225, 230. It feels pretty dang premium. The screen looks good. Stay tuned for more videos to come. Yeah, stay tuned. I'll be doing a comparison between the A7 and the S6. I'm doing a comparison between this and the Amazon Fire 10, as well as the HD 8 Plus. And maybe we'll do it between this and my Microsoft Surface Go 2 as well. So yeah, stay tuned for whole bunch more videos to come. We'll also probably do a gaming video on this, as well as an actual review after at least a day or two of use. So yeah, stay tuned. Whole bunch more stuff to come. Thank you guys, as always, very much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next vid. Hope you have a good one. Goodbye.